What's up, Noah?
What's up?
Here we are. We came up here last time, and this is where we stopped. And we're going to continue on and finish what we started. Here's what we have to do. It's a little zigzag up there. Noah's going to attempt to pedal up it. I'll probably crawl up it. So yeah, stay tuned. See ya. Is it on?
Yeah.
Well, Noah, should we do it or should we not do it? Let's fucking do it. Do it. Signs. Shit. Noah! Made it to the top?
Made it.
Top, baby. Look at that view. So this is the top or the end of the road. We thought it would like lead to Irish Hills, but we don't see any trails going to Irish Hills. I think Irish Hills is just like right around that bend right there.
Yeah.
There's Costco right there, so yeah, it's like up there. I don't see any trails going up though. We don't know what this is. It just looks like it's some type of satellite. It's got propane, solar panels, self-contained. Must be important to have a full road maintained. Send it! You're on tape. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the benches.
Down.
Trip. Benches right there. That's a trip, dude.
No.
It's like a compound.
Crazy compound.
It's a fuck. We're on someone's compound. Hell no, I'm not going back up. You good? Dude, the grass is sliding you out. Got it on tape. You good? Nice soft landing though. Yeah. Right on. Nice wipeout. Careful, it's grass. It's slick. Well, yeah, I almost wiped.
Nice guess.
I think so too. Maybe like weather type of satellites, I don't know. I know. You don't.